get her!
Reason why you keep knocking on that door?
Police were called after a woman reported another female outside her apartment, repeatedly banging on the door and refusing to leave.
Okay, well I need you to come over here and wait for the door. Do what? No? Ma'am, step away from the door.
When officers arrived at the apartment complex, they found a woman still standing outside the apartment and continuing to bang on the door, even as officers repeatedly told her to step back. A few moments later, the door opened and a woman stepped outside.
Go inside.
Behind her, officers could see a man standing inside the apartment, looking toward the woman outside. The mother quickly shut the door before allowing the man to speak to her.
Tomorrow, I don't want her here. She's been asked to leave many, many times. She doesn't want to leave. I don't want her hurt. I don't want her arrested. I just want her out of here, please, and I want it noted. I want a report. You can see she's been doing this forever. I've been waiting for my glass to come in and break.
Officers soon learned that the woman outside was trying to confront her ex-boyfriend, while the woman at the door was his mother. According to the mother, she had already asked the woman several times to leave, but she refused, forcing them to call police.
She dated my son. They're not together anymore, and I don't want her on my premises. This is my home,
Okay.
and I don't
This
want her
is your
here,
son
and this is my son. And I don't want him coming out of here because I don't feel safe with her, with him.
Okay.
Officers repeatedly asked the woman for her name, but she ignored them. The man's mother later identified her as Samantha. Officers attempted to calm her down and explain the situation, but she continued ignoring them while staring at her phone. She most likely had problems with her boyfriend, but at this point she was causing a disturbance and refusing to leave.
Hello? Samantha, do you have your driver's license or an ID with you? Okay, this is going to last for a couple more minutes till my other deputy gets here, and then she's going to have two routes. One, she's going to answer me, or she's going to go to jail.
You're going to answer him, or you're going to leave.
Oh no, she's going to go to jail.
Okay, so please, that's not what we want.
Just give me your driver's license.
Okay, I don't have it with me! You still need to leave.
Well, then you need to talk to me. Level's at 0 right now, so you can knock that crap off. I can understand how relationships and stuff like that can be very, very volatile. But this is not the way to act like it, because I'm assuming you're an adult.
Samantha, you're currently trespassing. Do you have ID on you? You don't? Or are you not going to provide it?
I don't have it.
Okay, I'm asking.
Do you
Are
have
you
your
going to
registration
leave?
in your car? You just can't stay here. You can't be banging on. That's going to cause you problems later. If you get arrested, then you got to go back to court. Then you're considered a stalker. Then you're obstructions of justice, not listening to a police officer.
Are you going to leave right now?
Please.
After speaking with officers for several minutes, Samantha finally agreed to leave.
Leave. And do not come back.
Is that valid deal?
Yes or no? Okay. So you heard her. She wants you trespass from this point. It's on camera. If you come back on this property and we catch you here, you go to jail. You understand? All right.
Thank you.
I don't know.
As she walked back to her car, officers appeared to believe the situation was finally over.
33 or something like that. Show Samantha 2780 this property.
But moments later, she suddenly slammed on the gas and sped off aggressively. A short pursuit then began.
Go get her! Signal 12.
She's going to kill somebody.
Yep.
We're slowing down. We're coming up to West Virginia Street.
After noticing multiple police vehicles behind her, Samantha eventually slowed down and stopped the car.
Turn it off! Turn the car off! Turn it off! Turn the car off! Get out of the car! Turn the car off!
Officers repeatedly ordered her to step out of the vehicle, but she continued crying and asking what she had done wrong. After refusing to cooperate, officers forcibly removed her from the vehicle.
What did I do? What did I do?
Unlock the door.
Get out of the car!
What did I do?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
She was later taken into custody and faces several charges.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish.
Can I ask you why you pointed a gun at me?
Oh, stop. Let me finish, okay? You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
I just want to understand.
Do you explain each of these rights?
Understand.
You want me to read it again?
No, I need to understand
Okay.
why you were so
Stop.
fast to pull a gun out on
Go
me.
ahead.
For me.
Get up here. Go. You. Come on. Get up here.
An officer stopped a speeding driver, but instead of pulling over next to the patrol vehicle, the driver stopped much farther ahead while partially blocking a traffic lane.
You. Come on. Come on. First of all, you're blocking traffic right now.
As the officer approached the car, he explained to the driver that he was blocking the roadway and ordered him to move his vehicle closer to the patrol car.
Did you not tell us to get over? What do you mean, first of all? What's your attitude?
You're blocking the right lane.
Attitude? Did you not want me to pull over?
You're
Then
not
you
pulled
started
over.
blaming me. What
The driver immediately became aggressive and started arguing with the officer before driving his car closer to the patrol vehicle.
You are blocking the lane of traffic.
What do you want me to do?
Pull over in front of my car.
God damn you, man. I'm not pulling. I'm pulling over right now.
932 Walden.
Hey, can I get out of my vehicle?
Moments later, the driver stepped out of the vehicle and began shouting at the officer, demanding to know why he had been pulled over.
Northbound 61. North of route you. Start me another unit. I got one.
What you pulling me over for?
Get over here.
Because the driver was standing in an active traffic lane, the officer repeatedly warned him to move out of the roadway for his own safety.
Get out of traffic.
Pull me over for?
Get out of traffic.
No, you stop me.
Get out of traffic.
Fuck the traffic. What you pull me
You're gonna
over
get hit
for?
by a car.
Are you certified to do traffic control? I am.
However, the driver continued acting aggressively and ignored multiple commands. Seeing the situation escalate, the officer drew his taser and pointed it at the driver.
I see you out here.
Get out
doing
of
this.
traffic now.
Oh!
Get out of traffic. Step over here.
Quiet your violence. Let me get my fucking phone now. You gonna tase me for that?
I want you out of traffic.
Get your
Stop.
fucking
Stop.
supervisor. Don't touch
Stop.
me.
Get out of traffic.
Don't touch me.
I just want you out of
Goddamn,
traffic.
hey! Get somebody.
Get out of
over here.
traffic.
Motherfucker's gonna tase me for standing here.
932 Walden. Put your hands
The
behind your back.
goddamn look.
Just put your hands behind your back.
That's my arm. But you use force. You see my wrist? This is how I make my money. But you
Okay.
use force. When I tried to look at you, you said you want to talk to me like a man. You bent me over like
Hey,
a punk.
The officer was eventually able to place the driver in handcuffs while he continued yelling and resisting commands. Police later called for another unit to transport the suspect from the scene. According to officers, the driver was later charged with resisting arrest.
Can you get another unit for transport?
What it is? Physically hurt me.
Yeah, because you failed to comply with the lawful order. Yeah, if he tells you to do something, you're supposed to do it.
You're trying to find us. All of that,
So
yeah.
you take me to jail. We're done talking, asshole.
Have a good day.
Stop. License and registration, please.
Police pulled over a driver after discovering the vehicle had a seized tag order.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seized tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Well, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
The woman told officers that she had already made a payment the day before.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in mine.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light cameras. tickets.
Red light cameras? Okay. Stay in the car, ma'am.
But officers proceeded with removing the license plate from the vehicle. While the officer was removing the plate, he repeatedly told the driver to remain inside the car. However, she stepped out and began arguing with officers.
I don't have to tell you right now. Have a seat in the car and I'll be right with you. Okay, well, that's incorrect. So, have a seat in the car. I already told you, you have a seize tag order. Have a seat in the car and I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay, but where's my license? I have to go get my kids.
Your license is being returned to the state of Florida as well. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my dad. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car. I'm taking your license and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here by myself. And
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her, is there any other problem? She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is. I will give you all the court. I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. So you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive again.
I went to the courthouse and
Okay.
she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job. I can't help that. Ma'am, go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Okay. Ma'am, you're this close to going to jail. Okay. You're this close to going to jail. Go have a seat by your car. Ron, don't let her go.
After several minutes of arguing, the woman suddenly got back into the vehicle and drove away from the scene.
Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
Officers quickly caught up to her and conducted another traffic stop. During the second stop, an officer pointed a taser at the driver as officers ordered her out of the vehicle. She was eventually detained, arrested, and later charged in connection with the incident.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. I didn't do nothing to you. What the fuck?
Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop. Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested?
Huh? I don't know. That's between you and them. Well, unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.